Did you know that the *SBI3 can output data in both the standard NMEA format and Septentrio's compact binary format, SBF? Now you do. Hello, I'm Joy from Septentrio. We'll begin with the output procedure. You can choose to output data either in NMEA format or SBF format by going to the NMEA SBF tab. In this case, we will choose the NMEA stream. The connection types through which you can output data are serial port, USB port, N-trip server, or IP server. Choose the connection type as well as the COM port in use. Next, select the messages to output as well as the interval and press OK. Similar steps can be followed to output SBF messages. When streaming the data over Ethernet, you need to configure the IP ports as well. This can be done after selecting IP connection type. To verify the data stream is set up correctly, you can use the Septentrio GUI tool, Datalink. Open Datalink, click on TCP/IP client, insert the IP address or hostname of the receiver and the port number configured previously and click connect. The info line at the bottom of the window should indicate that the connection has been made. Click on Show Data to display the data coming from the receiver. Moving on to data logging, the feature is available on all INS Pro Plus receivers. Uniquely, the *SBI3 has 16 GB of internal memory for data logging. To define a new logging session, select New NMEA stream or New SBF stream and configure the desired parameters. The raw IMU data can be found in the X sensors option. You can choose your desired frequency, but in this case we select on change for maximum output frequency. And remember to enable logging and press OK. You can download the data files on the Disk Contents menu in the Logging tab. This can be done by clicking on the green download arrow next to the file name. Files can also be deleted here by clicking on the red X button. For more information, visit our support page on our website or contact us on our contact page. Thank you for watching.